JT's got new lights. Want to see them? So there's still a lot more work to be done on JT, but the lighting situation, front and back, is being squared away. So just want to give you a real quick demonstration here. Just turn on the essential and the main bus. LCD is coming on. You can dim it up or down. We have some map lights, let me see, here that are also connected to the dimmer. Don't really use them that much, especially now since we have floodlights. So these are the floodlights, dimmable LED lights, and off and color red for night, completely dimmable. As far as the back is concerned, you can see nothing's going on, although we do have a passenger lighting control box here. That one ties into this dual function switch. So we have an off position, we have the on position where the rear passenger has control. Right now the red lights are turned on. They can be dimmed and turned off by the rheostat there, and it can also go from red to white. Again, completely dimmable and controlled by the rear passenger. Also, there's an override function. So say that the passenger is not on board and has got this light turned off, and you're flying at night and you want to see what the fuel situation is. We can go with this switch from on to off to override, and in the override position, there is no control here and no red or white. It's just purely full bright light to enable to check the fuel load right there and right there, or to help the passengers getting in and getting out of the plane. Once that is done, the controller can be turned back off, or on the rear control so that the passenger again can do his own thing. While I'm at it, I'll show you one more thing. This is where the headset plug-in has always been, and this used to be a button that used to be the push to talk. It was really hard to get to, so I have relocated the push to talk switch right here. So this is the push to talk switch for the passenger, although it's on the box for the headset for the pilot. Should be a lot easier to reach. And so this is the situation with the lighting on JT. Now we get back to the rest of the nose, which is still a complete mess. Got a lot of work to do there. All right, hope you enjoyed it. Bye.